On behalf of our entire organizing committee, I would like to welcome you to this gathering of leaders around the globe. We have over 170 people that are attending the session. And our attendees really cover the entire spectrum.
The goal of this afternoon is to have, first and foremost, energetic conversation.
We're going to see a number of examples of how AI is being used today in construction, and we're going to work together in a number of hands-on sessions to really identify these use-inspired problems.
Construction is unpredictable and stressful when we don't have a clear line of sight to the outcomes.
Data doesn't help me if I can't find it, or if when I do find it, I can't understand it.
The COVID pandemic has changed the way we think about remote site monitoring.
But with AI and the ability to integrate everything from, engineering design release to your schedule planning to your path of construction, you can begin to deal with kind of complex integrations.
You can be remotely tracking progress. You can be remotely tracking and actually adding capacity to safety, whether it's for COVID or for other stuff too.
The AI-driven solutions are introduced to help the people and not to add more burden.
I strongly believe artificial intelligence and machine learning is here to not replace us, but also here to support us as we go through this journey.
I think a group like the Institute for Artificial Intelligence in Construction has a chance of better aggregating knowledge around these technologies and better finding paths to integrating these technologies into the built environment.
This was by far the best workshop I think I have ever attended. And I don't say that lightly. I travel and go to lots of events. And it's not to belittle the other ones, but it wasn't the same old.
I felt like we were really a team rather than this group of people that happened to be together at a breakout session at a conference.
This has to be the greatest collection of thought leaders post-pandemic for construction tech.
It was just refreshing. It was insightful. It was invigorating. It was inspirational. All of those things combined, it really hit on every front.
So I hope we'll keep in touch and we'll keep collaborating.